I got it. But maybe I don't have any coins. And how long do I think I'm going to stay? What's this? Moby ticked? And up to pay parking? Now that's interesting. So I won't have the problem anymore of having to know how long I've got to park. And I can pay directly using my smartphone. Great! I'll try right now. Handy and quick. You download it by taking a shot of QR code. You write a name, license plate number, and use your PayPal account to pay directly. Really handy. Now I'm going to catch a tram. Where can I buy a ticket? Wonderful! I can even buy a tram ticket with Moby Ticked. Now what time is it? Moby Ticked telling parking time is running out. I can extend it directly from the app. Just add an hour. I've got there. Now I can go. Moby Ticked, something new which simplifies everyday life.